Hello guys, my name is Bista, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to develop this automatic Bitcoin investment website. Why it is automatic is that the interest returns automatically. Admin you don't need to add interest manually, so interest will be returning automatically in this Bitcoin investment website, and it has a whole lot of features in it. It has homepage, it has about us page, it has contact us page, and it has a friendly user interface. As you can see, user can create accounts and have a nice dashboard in this website, and also admin can control all the activities that a user is performing on this website. So without wasting much of our time, let me take you through this installation process so that you can see how this website works, and it is very simple. So don't worry on how you will get access to this software. I'm going to give you access to this software by the end of this video, so you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just follow me up. Let's dive into the class and get started. I will always make a disclaimer: this channel is strictly meant for tech knowledge. This is Bista Technology, and I'm always here to provide you with technology. For those of you in computer science, or those of you that are trying to write any project concerning tech, you can come here and get information from my tutorials. So if you are using this knowledge I'm giving you here for any negative act, I will never be held responsible for it. So guys, for you to get this website running, for you to get this website done, you need a cPanel, and for you to get a cPanel, you need to get your domain name and hosting for you to be able to have your cPanel. So for your domain name and hosting, you can get your domain name and hosting from namecheap.com or hostinger.com. I highly recommend Hostinger. I will put a link that will give you a bonus on Hostinger hosting panel. You understand? So now let's get started and see how we can get this done. So once you log into your cPanel, area, you go to your file manager. So once you log into your file manager like this, if you are doing this for your client, if you are doing this for your customer, the place you are going to install it is in your public_html. So this is my public_html, but as you can see, I already have website. All these things are my website file. So this is my public_html. So I'm not going to be doing it here. I want to do it in a subdomain. You understand? I want to create a folder in my subdomain, and that subdomain said crypto.bista.tech. so this is where I'll be installing the website. So I click on crypto.bista.tech. so as you can see, these are the websites I already have here. So this time around, I will create a new folder. You understand? So I click on new folder, then I type the name. Let me say crypto Zent. So I want the name of the website to be Crypto Zent. So I now click on create folder. So once I click on create folder, I will go and open up the folder Crypto Zent. So this is where I will install my Bitcoin investment website. So let's get started. So once you get your folder like this, the next thing you are going to do is to upload the software we are going to use. Don't worry about the software. By the end of this video, I will show you how you can get access to this particular software and use it for your client. So you click on upload. So once you click on upload, you click on select file, then you locate the file. Let me go to my, so this is the file. You understand? This is the file. This is the file zip. You understand? So you click on it, you open it. So once you open it, you allow it to load. You understand? This file is a 32.40 MB file, so it's going to take a little time for it to upload. So as it's uploading, you will have to allow it to be done. You understand? As it is uploading, you have to allow it to reach 100%, and not only allowing it to reach 100%, you will allow it to turn to green after reaching 100%. So as this is uploading, let's see if we can go and create a database for this particular work we are going to do, because for this file to work we need a database. So I go back to my cPanel, then I go to MySQL database wizard. This one, not MySQL database, MySQL database wizard. So I click on MySQL database wizard. So once you click on MySQL database wizard, it will take you to this interface. Then you enter the name of your database. So I will say crypto zen. This is what I want it to be, the name of my website. So first of all, I'll copy this because I'll still have to enter it again, and I click on next step. And once I click on next step, then I'll have to replace this with that crypto zen. Do you understand? So this particular place, what you're going to do is you click on password generator. This is the password generator, so you click on it. Once you click on it, this is your password, so you have to copy this. Once you copy this, let me show you. So once you copy this, the next you are going to do, you go to your Notepad app. This is my Notepad app. So I'll say db database that is database password, then I'll paste it here. Then I'll come back, I'll say I have copied this password in a safe place, then I say use password. So the next thing I'll say create user. So it will take me to this interface. I'll say never. Once it takes me to this interface, I'll have to copy this detail. It's very, very important because you are going to make use of it. So I copy it, go to my Notepad app, click enter, then paste the details here. Then I click on all privileges. Remember to click on all privileges. If you don't click, you will fail. Then you click on next step. Awesome, we have successfully created our database. Then I click on cPanel for me to go back to my cPanel. So let's check the file we uploaded and see if it has finished uploading. Awesome, this file has uploaded. So the next thing we are going to do is click on go back. Then the next thing we are going to do now is we click on this file, we right click on this file, then click on extract. You understand? So I click on extract, then I say extract files. Awesome. So once it has extracted, you click on close. Then the next thing you are going to do is to come here and click on reload. So once you click on reload, then you will see the file you have extracted. So this is the file you have extracted. So you open it, you double click on it to open it, then you click on select all. Once you click on select all, it will highlight all the files here. Then the next thing you click on, you right click, then click on move files. Then where are you moving it to? You are moving it into bstar.txt/cryptozent. Do you understand? So I'll now shift back, I'll delete this file, then delete this /, then leave it because I want to move it into cryptozent. Then I'll now click on move files. Awesome. So I reload. This file is empty now. So the next thing we are going to do is to go back. Awesome. As you can see, we are now into our crypto.bista.tech/cryptozent. So now once we have moved it to this particular folder now, which is crypto.bistatech.com/zent, then the next thing we are going to do is to copy this URL. So I'll start from here, which is, let me start from the end. So this, I'll start from here, then I'll copy this URL, I'll copy it like this, then I create new tab, and I paste the URL here. This is the URL, so I click on enter. So once I click on enter, it will tell me 500 server error. That is error 500 server error. You understand? So if you come back here, you see this folder called install. This is the installation folder. So you are going to come back here and put that is crypto.bista.tech/cryptozent/install, this installation folder. So I'll come back here and put /install, then I click on enter. Awesome, it will bring up this interface for me. You can read all these license terms of use, and I click on I agree. Then as you can see, these are the requirements, the server requirements, and as you can see, we have all of them. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on next step. So this place, let me zoom back. This place is where we are going to do some connections. You understand? Some folder connection. So as you can see here, it said core/bootstrap/catchy. You understand? Needs this code 0775. So I copy this code, then I go back to my C panel. This one said core/bootstrap, then catchy. Then I come here, the code that is here is 0755. So I'll come here, I'll change it to our own code. So now I'll paste our own code, which is 0775 instead of 0755. Then I click on save. So I've saved it. Then the next thing is I'll check the second one, which is core/storage. So I'll go back here, I'll click on back, core/storage. So this storage also need the code. Then I come here, I paste the code, then I save. Then the next one said core storage framework. Then remember, we already in core and this is our storage. Then I open it, then I say framework. I click on this framework, I paste the code, I save. Then the next one said core storage logs. Then we are already in our core storage, so this is our core storage, then this is our log. Then I'll come here and click and paste the code, then I'll save. And the next one said, okay, I think we are done. So we have to recheck this. Let's see what is going to happen. So I recheck. Awesome. We have not done this core storage app. So we go back and check this app, then we need to lock it too. So we enter the code and save it. Awesome. So let's come here and recheck again. Awesome. As you can see, all of them are now showing you good icon telling you that you are good to go. So you click on next step. So this is the URL of the domain. This is the URL of the domain. So here now they will ask you for purchase verification. But before we start entering these ones, let me show you something. Then I'll come here, I'll come to my code notepad app, then I'll copy my database password. Then I copy my database password, I come to this database password, then I will paste it. Please don't type password, make sure you copy it. Then this one is database user, so I copy this, my database user, do it one after the other. Then I come to my database user, I paste it. Then the next one is database name. So you come here, you copy this your database name, you copy it, database name, you paste. You understand? So the next thing now is this database host. Then from here you type localhost, just type in localhost here. Then for this purchase code, just come here and type any alphabet you want. Make sure you don't give space. Type any alphabet you want as long as you can. Then this is okay. Then from here, I normally use my database user. as my purchase verification. So I place it here. Then the next thing is email. You have to go to your server and create a web mail. Do you understand? So this time around now, I will go back to my cPanel and create a web mail. This is very, very important because we are going to use it in SMTP configuration. SMTP is simple mail transfer protocol, and it can only work with correct email and password. So let's go back to my cPanel. So for me to create email, what I will do is that I'll come to emails, then I'll say email account. I'll click on email account. These are the email I have in my website. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll create a new email. I'll click on create email. I already taught you how to create email in my server management course. So this is the domain, so I have to come and choose the domain I'm using. The domain I'm using is crypto.bista.tech. You understand? So from here now, I'll come and enter the username. Let me say, so I say support. Then from here I'll come and click on password generator. This is my password generator, so I copy this password. Then the next thing I'm going to do is, once I copy this password, then I go to my notepad app. Then I'll type something like webmail. Then I say password. I'll paste it. Then I'll come here and click on create. Awesome. So I've clicked on create, and this is the email we created. So I'll just come here and copy the email. So once I come here and copy the email, the next thing I'm going to do is to go back to my notepad app. Then I'll say email. Once I say email, then I'll click on cPanel so I can go back to my cPanel. Then here I'll come back here and enter. Then I'll come back here and enter the password. You understand? I'll come back here and enter the password. Sorry, the email address. So I'll just copy the email address, come back to my installation phase, then I will click on paste to put the email here. Then what I want to show you now is that in this case, your admin username is admin and your admin password is admin. Then after the installation, you can now go ahead and change all this stuff. So I click on install now. Awesome. As you can see, this has successfully installed. So we have two options. One is to go to your admin panel, and one is to go to the website. So let's see, opening a new tab, the website. Then let's see the admin, opening a new tab. Awesome. So let's allow the two to load. Awesome, it has loaded. So let me click on accept. So as you can see here, this is a beautiful interface, and as you can see, we just did this installation in less than few minutes. So I'm going to show you how you can edit all this interface. This is the home page, this is the plan, so this is the home page. Then let's check the admin and see how the admin looks like. So this is admin, this is our admin interface, as you can see. So remember, your username is admin, then your password, you should also type admin, then you click on login. Awesome. So once you log into the admin, it will take you to this interface. Then the next thing is going to show you is this cron job. What is the function of cron? Cron is what automates your profit, what automates your system, what makes your system to function without you. You understand? So we are going to run a cron job. Every server has its own way of running a cron job. You understand? But for this server I'm using, let me show you how you can do this. As you can see, the cron job says we should run 5 to 15 minutes. So it should not be less than 5 minutes, and it should not exceed 15 minutes. So I'll just copy this code here. So once I copy this code, I'll go to my cPanel again, then I'll type cron. So this is my cron job. I click on cron job. So this is my cron job, and this is my command settings. So from here I'll click here, I'll say pay 5 minutes. Remember, they told us it should not be less than 5 minutes, and it should not be bigger than 15 minutes. So you can choose anything from 5 minutes to 15 minutes. But as you can see, we have 5 minutes here and we don't have 15 minutes. The next one we have is 30. So we just have to click on pay 5 minutes. Then I'll come here, all these things will automatically fill up by itself. Then I'll come here and paste the command, the cron command. So I'll paste it here. You understand? So once I paste it here, I'll say add cron job. Awesome. I've added the cron job here. Look at it. I've added the cron job here. So after 5 minutes, the cron job will start counting. So I'll come back here and I'll close this. Awesome. So as you can see, the cron job is showing us that it will run 2 years ago. That was the last time the cron job will run. But after 5 minutes, we'll refresh this and see if it has started again. Then this is your admin backend, and this is the beautiful interfaces you have in your admin backend. You understand? So the thing I'm going to show you is how you can actually change this logo and this icon. Remember, the name of our website is CryptoZent. So guys, this is our beautiful dashboard. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can edit all these pages. Let me show you. This is the home page. This is the home page of the website. As you can see, this is the home page of the website, very sleek. And as you can see, each page has a section. So this is our banner section. This is our hero section. That is our banner section. This is our about us section in the home page. This is our investment plan section. So if you create any investment plan from the admin backend, it will automatically appear here. So I'm going to show you how you can create investment plan. So this is why you choose us section. This is profit calculator section. You can come here. Once you have created plan, you can come here and track profit you can make from each plan from here. So once you put the plan, then it's automatically show you. If you choose a plan, you enter the amount you want to invest in the plan, then it will tell you how much profit you're gonna make. This is how it works section, and this is frequently asked section, and this is what user said about us. So let me show you another page. This page here is the investment plan page. This page is meant for investment plan. That is this page. Then this one here is about us page. You understand? As you can see the about us page. So you can come here and edit it, then put right up about the page. You understand? As you can see, all these things are demo content, so you can edit it to your taste. You can change all these images. So let me show you. This is blog section. You can create a blog, you can write a news. All these things are dummy news, so you can create your own here. You understand? You can edit all these ones that are here. You understand? So the next one is contact us. You can put contact us information here. You can edit all these things. So let's dive in and see how we can get all these things done. So this is our admin backend. So I'll first of all start by changing the logo of this website. The logo is very, very important. But before I change the logo, there's something I want to tell you. Once you just log into this admin backend, the first thing I want you to do is to go to this. You go to this SEO option. It's very, very important, because let me tell you why it's important. So you just click on this SEO section, then you see all these things. I will want you to remove all these things here. All these things, as you can see, all these things are tag from the original developer of this script, and your host can use this thing and track this script and suspend this website because of all these things you are seeing here. So what you are going to do is just cancel all these things here. Cancel. Just make sure you cancel all of them. Then from here you can now enter the name of your website. You can say, depending on your domain name, you can say bstar. You click enter, say bstar.tech. You click enter. So just enter. This thing is your SEO section, so you just have to enter things that you want people to search in order to get to see your website in Google. This place now will help your website to rank in Google search. So you can say let's say crypto Zent. So just enter as much as you can. Let me say crypto Zent, enter. Then I can paste again and say crypto, then I shift, say crypto, and then I click on enter again. Then I can say Vista Tech. So if you are just entering it, make sure it's the name of your website that you're entering. Don't enter another person's name. So I say vistartech.com. Click enter. Then from here you come here and give a little description of your website. You understand? You come here, you remove this thing. Say Vista is the best investment platform. So you just have to enter the description of your website. So let me just change all these things. You just have to edit all these things. It's very, very, very important. So the title, the social title should be Vista, social description. Let me just copy this and paste here. So your own, just try and put a nice write-up. So from here now you will come here and change this image. I will change it to the logo of this website. So let me go to upload. So crypto Zent, I've already designed the logo for this. So you click on update. Awesome. So now the next thing we are going to do is to change the logo of this website. Changing the logo is very, very simple and easy. You understand? So you just have to scroll down. If you scroll down, you see logo icon settings. You click on logo icon settings. Then you choose your logo. You select logo. Make sure your logo is in PNG form. As you can see, my one is logozent.png. So you select the logo. Then you select your 5 icon. 5 icon is this icon here. You understand? This icon here. So you select your 5 icon. This is my 5 icon. Then I put it. Then I now click on update. So now if you update this logo, it is likely that it's not going to show. You understand? So you do hard refresh. You understand? Let me come back to my dashboard. So you do hard refresh, that is Control F5. If you click on Control F5, as you can see, the logo has appeared. Let's check on our 5 icon and see if our 5 icon will also change. It's still loading. Awesome, our 5 icon has appeared. So but if you check here, this site is still showing Hyperlab dashboard. So let's go and change this title here. So for you to do that one, you go to your site settings, go to settings, then from here you say crypto Zent. Okay, then you say crypto Zent. This crypto Zent, you click on. Then from here, do you want, if somebody sign up, the person will get a bonus? First of all, let's start from this one. So our currency is USD and the symbol is this USD dollar. Then this your site color, if you want to change your site color. But I like the color here. Then this is the site base color. This one is site secondary color. Then this is if you want to enable registration, so our users can register. But if you don't want, you can, if you click here, you turn users, nobody will be able to register on the website. So let me just click here because I want users to register. Then transfer fees charge, I normally put this to 0. You understand? So balance transfer percentage charge, let me just put it 0. Then sign up bonus, if you want somebody to sign up, the person will get a bonus. Let me say $1 is okay. Then sign up bonus control, that is if I want it to be active, then I'll make it active. If I don't want sign up bonus to be active, then I can disable it. So email verification, if you want somebody to verify email while registering, then you enable email verification. Email notification, make sure this is on. It's very, very, very important. This is very, very important. Then the next thing is SMS verification. I don't like this one, so I normally leave it like this. So the next thing, I'll click on update. So once I click on update, as you can see here now, I change to crypto Zent. You understand, instead of Hyperlab. Then the next thing I'm going to show you is, let's go jump in on how to create plan. So click on, you toggle on how to create plan, you click on manage plan. Let's go, where is our plan page? This is our plan page. As you can see, we don't have any plan here. Let's refresh. As you can see, we don't have any plan here. You understand? So we'll go, let me do Control F5 so our logo will start showing. So we'll go ahead and create. As you can see, our logo has appeared. You go ahead and create plan so that the plan can display here. So I just come back here, I click on add new plan. Once I click on add new plan, I can say basic, depending on the name of the plan you want to create. Basic, I say minimum, the minimum investment should be 100, maximum should be something like $499. Then interest, I can say 3% interest daily, because I want the interest to be returning every day. Daily, every day, return for, that is for a period of how many days? Let me say for period, the investment will last for 7 days. Then, and I want the capital to return back, as the capital of the investment. Then the status should be active. Then featured, I say yes. Then I click save. Then let me create another plan. I can say silver plan. This one should start from 500, and this one should end in 1,999. Then return interest should be, let me say 4% daily for 7 days. Capital back, status active, then featured yes. What this thing actually means is if somebody invests like $500 in this plan, the person will be getting interest of 4% of $500 every day for 7 days. So after 7 days now, the interest will stop counting. And you click on save changes. So let's create another plan. Let me say diamond. Plan. Then this one should start from $2,000 to $4,999. Interest of 5% daily. Return for 7 days. Capital back here. Status active. Featured said yes. So now we have succeeded in creating 3 plans. So let's go to our plan page and refresh and see if the plans will appear here. So I just click here. Awesome. Look at the plans we created. Have you seen it? Very simple. The plans we created, very, very simple. So I can say these 3 plans can serve us for now. Then the next thing is, let's leave manage users because no user has registered. You understand? No users has registered yet. So let's go and create a deposit system. So this deposit system, you go to, if you come to, you leave this automatic gateway, choose manual gateway. You understand? Then you click on, so when you come to this gateway, you click on add new. So this is your deposit system because you want to create a deposit system. So you click on choose icon. Then let's create for Bitcoin deposit system. Then I click on open. So here you say gateway name should be, let's say let's say BTC deposit system. Then currency. Understand? Okay, deposit system, let's say Bitcoin. Currency should be BTC. Then the charge, you check the rate of BTC to dollar. You understand? Let me say 0.000, but just check the current BTC rate to dollar. Then you come here, you say minimum amount of deposit should be $100. Then maximum amount of deposit should be, let me say, $100,000. Then fixed charge of 0%. Fixed charge of 0%. Then percentage charge of 0% too. Then here is where you enter your instructions. So you come here, you can say, okay, you can say, hello dear, please send only Bitcoin to this wallet address below. Then you come here, you know, say just put the instruction you want the people to follow. Then you come here, you say wallet address. Then you now put your wallet address, your Bitcoin wallet address here. You understand? Then you shift again, you say thanks, full stop. Then you come here, you add, here is where you want, you put your user data. So from here you say payment proof. Then you come here, you say, because you want the person, once the person deposit, the person should upload the screenshot of deposit. Then you say upload file. You understand? Then you make it required because you want the person to make sure, you want to make sure that the person provide the payment method. Okay, you can come back here and give instruction again and say, after sending, please provide the screenshot of your deposit in the space below. You understand? Then you now put full stop. So from here now, you will now be able to, the person now will be able to send the payment proof here. You understand? So let me just copy this thing. Let me copy it. Then you click on save method, and the method will be automatically saved for you. So let's create for something like USDT. So I click here, I select this USDT icon, then I say, so you can create as much as you can. I say USDT, then I say USDT, then 1 USDT is equals to 1 USD. So I put 1, then minimum 100, maximum 100,000, zero charge. And I'll come back here and put my instruction. So this time around I'll change this Bitcoin to USDT. Then I can say in brackets, I can indicate the network. I can say TRC20 network. Awesome. So I'll come back here, click on add new data, payment proof, then file upload, then required. I say save changes. So let me just go and create for ETH. So from here you say Ethereum, then you say ETH is the currency. Then you just enter the network, the conversion rate, and you say 100. Then from here you say ETH. Okay, let me just copy this. Then you come here and say Ethereum. Then you add payment proof, file upload required. Awesome. So that is that about how to create a payment method. And as you can see, if user deposit, the notification will come here in this pending deposit. If you approve it, it will show in this approved deposit, successful deposit. Any deposit that was successful will show here. Rejected deposit, so if you reject user deposit, it will also show here. Do you understand? So the next thing is click on withdrawal method, pending logs, approved logs, rejected logs. So let's create a withdrawal method. So you just click on withdrawal method, click on add new. So you just have to create withdrawal method for the payment method you created. So let's create for Bitcoin. I will only create for Bitcoin, but in your own case, just make sure you create for all the coins you created as deposit. So I will only create for Bitcoin so that we will not waste much of our time. Then I say BTC time, you can say 1 hour. That is time that it will take the admin to approve it. Then you say 1 hour, then minimum should be 100, maximum should be 100,000. Then no charge. But this time around, the instruction you will put for them to impute their wallet address so that you'll be able to pay them. So for me now, you can say hello there, please impute only your BTC. Okay, let me say bit. So am I even typing Bitcoin wallet address so that the company will be able to pay you via the address. So make sure you just give them the instruction that you need them to follow here. So you say add new payment proof. Okay, let's say impute text so that they will be able to enter their wallet address and you as the administrator will be able to see the wallet address. So you click on save method. Awesome. So that is that. You just have to repeat the same process for other payment method. So that is that. Here is your ticket, here is your report, here is your promotional tool, here is your subscribers, language, then here is your settings, here is your logo. We have done our settings, we have done our logo icon settings. Then here is plugin. Let's check something in this plugin. Okay, we don't have anything to do in this plugin, and we have done our SEO settings. So I'll come back to this email. You understand? Email. So this holiday setting is, let me show you how holiday settings work. First of all, if you come into this holiday settings, you delete this one. Make sure you delete it. Remove, delete, or remove, delete, remove. So this holiday settings, what it works is, if you don't want your profit to count on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then you enable all these things. But I want them to count every day. So if I don't want it to count on weekend, then I will enable for Saturday and Sunday. But I'm going to disable all of them because I want it to count every day. You understand? So I click on update. So that is that about holiday settings. So the next thing is active. Okay, here is your cookie. Let me show you something. Let's go to our home page. So this is our home page. Let me refresh. So awesome. Sometimes you come to this home page, then it will tell you accept cookie, all those kind of stuff. So let me show you how you can disable this cookie. So you just come to this GDPR cookie, you click on it, then you click on disable so that it will not pop up again. Awesome. You have disabled cookie. Then the next one is manage pages. This is where you can edit your pages, but before then, let's go to section first. Section manager. So you click on section manager. This section, let me show you. This is our that section manager is basically for the home page. So this is our banner section. So any changes we make on this banner section, look at the banner section here. You understand? So you can design another banner. You can design another banner and put it here with this size. You understand? You can design another banner and put it here, but there will be no time for me to design another banner. But you can go ahead and design banner with this size here and put it here. But let me show you. Here we have invest for future in a stable platform and make fast money. Look at it here. Invest for future in a stable platform and make fast money. So I can say CryptoZent is the best investment platform. CryptoZent is the best investment platform worldwide. So I click on update. So let's come here and refresh and see if we made any change here. Awesome. CryptoZent is the best investment platform worldwide. You understand? So you can, that is how you can also come and edit this invest in an industry leader. Look at it here. You understand? So you can check, you can change all these things here. Just leave this button, but change all these things here. Then you come back here and then you come back here, you check another section. Let's go. Okay, which other section do we have after this one? We have about us section. So let's click on this about. This about, as you can see, you can change this image here. You understand? You can change this image, and you can also edit all this right up here. You understand? You can also edit all this right up here. So let me be showing you this which other section do we have? Okay, as you can see, this is our investment section now. As you can see, the 3 investment plan we created has appeared: basic, silver, and diamond. So we don't have problem. So the next one is why you choose us. So you come to check for why you choose us. Why? See, look at why you choose us section. So this place there, I can say CryptoZent here. Awesome, CryptoZent. Then I click on, you can edit all these things. Just click on this edit and you can edit it, and that is how you can get all these things done in, you click on submit in few minutes. For you to code this website, it will take you like 1 to 2 months, but you can actually do this in less than 1 to 2 hours, then submit to your client. So this is why you choose Hyperlab, maybe why you choose CryptoZent. Have you seen it? So it's very all these things are very easy. So all these ones you can see here, this legal company. Look at the legal company here, legal company. So you can edit all this right up. You understand? You can edit all this right up. I've taught you how to do copyright, so you can edit all these things. Let me just add our CryptoZent, company update. So let me just come here and refresh our have I even saved this? Our CryptoZent company, then update. Then I click on submit. And let me come here and refresh. Look at it, our crypto Zen company. As you can see, it has appeared. So you can actually edit all these things. So let's check the next section. This is our calculator section. So for example, if we invest $100 in, okay, $150 in basic plan, let me say 150 in basic plan, how will we now know the profit you are going to make? So the profit you are going to make is 45%. You understand? Okay, 4.5 USD every day for 7 days. Total is 31.5 USD for that 7 days. So we are going to make $31.5 if we invest 150. So this is what the profit calculator helps us to calculate. Then here is how Hyperlab works. So let's check this, how Hyperlab works. So you go to your section, how work, and say how crypto Zen works. Then you say you can also change this image. You can change all these images. So if you want to change this image, it's very simple. You just have to click here, then you choose any image you want. So let's use this image. Open. So let's save. So let's come back here and refresh. Awesome. Have you seen it? The image has appeared. So this one is frequently asked questions. So you just have to go to your section, then check for frequently FAQ. Look at your FAQ here, frequently asked question. Then you can edit all these frequently asked questions to your own taste. Then what users say about us. So you already know how to edit all these things. You can change these images of our team members. You can change this image and change their name, you understand, to your own taste. So now let me show you how you can also edit other pages. This is our about us page, you understand. As you can see, the edit we made has appeared here. So but for you to put more right up on this our about us page, you can come here, come back here, then come to pages, manage pages. This is our about us page, you understand. So this is our about us page, how it work, about, you understand. You can edit all these pages, you understand. These are the right up. You can edit all these pages. So that is how you can edit the whole pages on this particular website. This is how you can edit pages on this particular website. So the next thing we are going to do is, we have succeeded in, I've taught you how to edit with the section manager, then system information, custom CSS. Then here is, if you want to clear cache, you click here so you can clear your browser cache. So now the next one I want to teach you is how to do your email configuration so that your email will be able to work. So you come back to this email manager, you click here, you have global email template, you have email templates, then we have email configuration. Forget about this email template, leave it like that. So go to global email template, it will show you something like this. Let me show you. Then hard refresh. Then the next thing you are going to do, since it has shown you like this, then the next thing you are going to do is you come here, you delete this Hyperlab logo. So for you to, what you are going to do, just click on the front, in front of this, then click on backspace to delete. Then you click on add image, choose file, then you choose your logo, you click open. then it will automatically upload your logo here. Then the next thing you are going to do is to say this Versal app, you change it to name of your website, which is copyright 2022, let's say 2023 crypto Zent, alright, reserved. Then the next thing you're going to do is you come here, you have to change this to the email you are going to use. So to the webmail we created, which is support, you come here, you copy it, then you come here and paste it. So you click on update. So you click on update. So once you click on update, you can now come back and go to your email config. So this email config, don't use PHP mail. I normally use SMTP. SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So you click on SMTP, you enter your SMTP host. So the server you are using will provide, once you purchase a domain name, the server you are using, if you use Namecheap or Hostinger or anything, they will provide your SMTP host name for you. So you just come here and put the SMTP host name. But before that, this username should be your email. You understand? So you just come here and paste that your email. Make sure it's the same email you used, your global email template that you are using here. If once you purchase a hosting, you understand, the server, they will provide, once they are sending you your hosting login, the server will provide, the hosting company will also provide your host name for you. But if they didn't provide it for you in your cPanel details, then you can go ahead and charge the hosting company for them to provide their SMTP hosting server. Just ask them for SMTP hosting server. So for this one, I'm just going to put my own. This one is my own. Then I'll say port should be 465. That is the hosting port. Then encryption should be SSL, because SSL is what you are using. Then from here, you will now enter your email, your webmail password. Make sure it's your webmail password. So come here, you enter your webmail password. Then click on paste. Then click on update. Awesome. So once you click on update, then let's test and see if our SMTP mail will send. Then let me send to this. Then I say send. As you can see, it's sent successfully, which means that our configuration is correct. Had it been our configuration we are not correct, it will show us details doesn't match. So the next thing we are going to do is, let's go and create user accounts here, then deposit as a user and see if it's going to work out for us. So the next thing is, I go to my home page, I click on, let me click on my home page, then I click on sign up. Remember, you can also edit all these images here. So before then, let me just edit this. So go back to our admin dashboard, then I go to section manager, I go to register. So when you click on register, I click on, come here, I say Crypto Zent. That's welcome to Crypto Zent. And you can come here and say, please register and continue. Awesome. Let's see if we can change. Let me see if I can change this image. So you just put any image of your choice. Put any image of your choice, and I'll click on update. Awesome, it has updated. So the next thing you're going to do is come here, click on, let me click here, click on register. This login, so click on sign up. As you can see the sign up page has changed. Let's come back here. This is our sign up page. Then let's refresh. If we refresh, as you can see, our sign up page has changed. So you can also do that to your login page. So let's click on login page. Then you come here and let's choose those two images again. Choose welcome to CryptoZens. Then I can say login and continue. Login and continue. Then you click on save changes. Awesome. So it has saved. Then you can come here. If you check your login page, let's click on login and see. As you can see, our login page has also changed. So let's go ahead and register and see if the account we created will, if creating account will work for us. So I click on sign up. So my first name should be Abel. My last name should be Abel1. Let me just use this. Then my country should be Nigeria. Then I just have to enter phone number. I can say 7034527895. Then you come here, you enter your email address. Then you enter your email address. Then the next one is you enter your username. Let me say my username should be Abel123. Let me use this as my username. Then let me use this as my username. Then you enter your password. Then you enter this code that is displaying here, which is 80. What this code function is for this website to confirm that you are not a robot, because robot cannot read this code, but as a human being you can read it. 809925. Then you click on agree on terms and privacy. Then click on sign in. Awesome, we have signed in, and they said we should do email verification. They said we should go ahead and do our email verification because we turned on email verification in our site settings. So let me just rush to my email and see. So you just rush to your email. If you just rush to your email, you will see where they sent you the code for your email verification. Do you understand? They sent you the code for your email verification, and you can see our email template. Our logo is displaying, and everything is very, very cool and sleek. So our email verification code is 578156. 578156. So you come here, say 578156. Then you click on submit. Awesome. This is our dashboard. This is our user dashboard. So if I go back to my admin end now and click on dashboard, it will show me that one user has registered. Total user 1, total verified user, because I verified my email, is 1. You understand? But we have not deposited anything. Remember, our user sign up bonus, is here. So let me show you. This is our user sign up bonus. We have gotten sign up bonus of $1. Do you understand? And this is our, if I want to refer somebody so I can get commission, is my referral link. You understand? So this is a very robust script and very, very cool. So let's see if we can deposit in this website. So we come here, we click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, as you can see, all those deposit method we created is not displaying here because we didn't make it active. So you go back to your admin dashboard, you go to deposit, go to manual deposit. All of them are disabled. So you come here, you click here, activate. You click here, you activate. You click here, you activate. So we now come back to our user dashboard, then we refresh this deposit page. As you can see, we now have BTC, USDT, Ethereum. So let's deposit with BTC. So let's deposit something like $400. So we click on next. So as you can see, this is the review of your deposit. Click on confirm. Then look at the instruction. It said, please send only Bitcoin to this wallet address below. After sending, provide the screenshot of your deposit in the space provided below. So what the user is going to do now is the user will copy this wallet address, then go and make payment. You understand? Make sure you enter a correct address for each wallet for both Bitcoin, Ethereum and ETH. So you just come back here, you click on select. This is where you will now upload your payment proof. So you just have to come here, and we didn't make any deposit, so we don't need to upload. So you just have to upload any image you want. So let me upload this one. Now I click on pay now. Awesome, I've deposited. So let me come back to my admin. So let me come back to my admin. So I come back to my dashboard. Once I come back to my dashboard, I'll be getting notification here. So I'll click to see. It said deposit request from ABER123. You understand? So if you come back here, you can see notification here in this deposit system. You toggle down. Once you toggle down, you see pending deposit. Click on pending deposit. Then you see ABER made a request of $400. Then you can click here to see the details. You click here to see the detail. So once you click here to see the detail, then the next thing you are going to do is, once you confirm everything that the person is, then you click on approve. Then you click on approve. So ABER will automatically get email in his email that this deposit has been approved. As you can see, this one is that your deposit request of $400 has been submitted successfully. So let's check this one. This one said your deposit request of $400 has been approved. Do you understand? So everything you are doing is going to be getting email in each action he takes. So let's come back here, then go back to our dashboard. So if we go back to our dashboard, we are going to have like $401. Awesome, because of the sign up bonus. So we now have $401. So user can now go ahead and invest. Let's invest in a plan. So I go to investment. I go to, let me check on basic. So I click on basic. So let me deposit something like $350. And I click on next step. Awesome, I've deposited, and as you can see, this thing will start counting for me. You understand? So after 7 days, this investment is going to be done. So guys, another thing I want to show you is how the admin can credit the user and how the admin can debit the user. So as you can see from here, based on we have done investment, so what we have here is $350. Let me see if we can fund this account from the admin dashboard. So I come back here, then what I'm going to do is, if I come back here, I go to users because I want to add money to the account. Then I go to all users. So you check the user you want. This is the only user we have right now, so I click on details. Then once I click on details, I come to this add/subtract balance. So as you can see, this is add. You understand? I click here. You understand? So I'll come here. If I click on this button, it will show me subtract. That is if I want to minus money, but this time around I want to add. So where do you want to add the money? Is it in the deposit wallet or the interest wallet? So we want to add money to deposit wallet. You understand? So let's go back to this user dashboard. As you can see, the total deposit we made was 400 and we have invested 350. So what we have here now is $51. So let's see if we can fund this with $500. So I just come back here, I click on, we have selected the wallet I want to add to. I want to add to the deposit wallet. So I come here, I click on $500. So I click on submit. Awesome. So I come back here, I refresh this dashboard, and automatically we'll get $551 here. So if I want to fund this interest wallet, I'll just come back here, click on add or subtract balance. Then let me add something like, let me add to the interest wallet. Let me add interest of $1,000. I click on submit. So I come back here, I refresh. So I check my interest wallet, and I have $1,010. So all these things works automatically. So in case if I want to debit, you understand, let me see if I can debit the deposit and the interest wallet. So I come back here, I click on add or subtract. So I click on subtract balance. So in the deposit wallet, I want to subtract 551. I want to subtract all the money I saw there. So I click on submit. Once I click on submit, I come back here and refresh, and I'm going to have $0 here. So let's see if you can subtract this money. So you just go back to our user end, and this is our interest wallet. So I come back here, I click on submit balance, I click on I select interest wallet, then I select subtract balance interest wallet, then I click here, I enter 10, that is $1,010. Then I click on submit. So I come back here, I refresh, and automatically I'm going to have $0 here. So guys, that is that for today's tutorial. If this video were so useful to you, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the notification bell, so that anytime I drop an update, you'll be able to get an update from me. And also don't forget, if you have any question, you can comment on the comment section. I'll be right there to reply you as soon as possible. So guys, if you are in Nigeria and you want to get access to this robust script, you are going to pay me 35,000 naira, so I can get this script for you. Then if you're not in Nigeria and you want to get access to this robust and awesome script, you're just going to send me $40 so that you'll be able to have access to this script. So instead of you wasting months for you to get this type of website done for you, why not just give me 30,000 naira or $40 and get access to this robust script, and bet me you are going to enjoy it. So thank you guys, see you in my next tutorial. I will provide the link to this robust script below in the description, you understand? So you can go there and click on the link and get access to the script. And if you cannot do that through the link, you can do well and DM me on my WhatsApp. Just text me on my WhatsApp, then we can discuss and I'll get the script for you. So thank you guys for participating. I remain my humble self, Bstar Technology. See you in the next class.